What's up, guys? It's Dwayne with Fish Driven. We got a nice mutton snapper here. Jason caught in the Keys. We're gonna go ahead and break it down and show you guys how to fillet a mutton snapper and go from there. I got my two knives here. I'm gonna go ahead and what you wanna do is start on the top. Come towards the back of the fish. A cut like this. See how the cut is? And flip them back from you. You're gonna go along the back of the bone. You see? I'm gonna go along the back of the bone here. Backbone with your knife. Do an outline. When you get to the tail section, you go ahead and pop through. That's it. All right. And then you want to go ahead and run your knife along the backbone like this. Never towards you, always away from you. Keep going. And just keep going. Keep going. Wow. And that's one side of the fillet right there. Get your other knife. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it off the skin. Well, there you go. Beautiful mutton snapper fillet. It's got pin bones in it. Go ahead and trim it up a little bit. Get all these stuff off. Then you go ahead, go through the middle of the snapper right there, where the pin bones are. Hands in the way. I'm trying to get out of the way so you guys can see. But that's it. Take that pin bone out. And this is a boneless fillet right here. No bones. Let's go. Fish driven.